Morning, guys. I'm Ajay Rai here to teach you polity. जैसा कि आप लोग को पता है, this is my first class here for the polity, and today I will start a introduction class on the basic concept of the constitution. हमारे यूपीएससी सिलेबस, पीसीएस सिलेबस में इस सब्जेक्ट का एक अहम रोल है. So, in the mains or pre, anything, and also the coming examination of RO and ARO, it is also useful very much. So, इस point से we are starting a fresh batch at HTPIS Academy. So, in this class, I would like to introduce you the Constitution. Actually, what the Constitution is. Constitution. Actually, Constitution is a set of rules which are made for the better governance of a country. संविधान एक कानून का ढांचा है, मूलभूत कानून के संघ हैं जिनके आधार से देश चलती है और एक अच्छी शासन व्यवस्था की जाती है जिसे हम लोग सुशासन बोल देते हैं. So if we define constitution, then we can say that set of rules for governance of a country. Okay, this is constitution basically. In one word, you can say constitution is a set of rules for governance of a country, for a better governance of a country. In other words, we can say that हम कह सकते हैं कि all other rules are framed according to it. और मैं ये भी कह सकता हूं कि और जो देश के लिए जो दूसरे कानून और नियम बनेंगे वो इसके अनुरूप बनेंगे जो हमारा रियल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है. सो we can say that a set of rules by which all other rules are framed according to it. Or okay, this is basic definition of the constitution. Now the other things of the constitutions that are types of the constitution. संविधान के बहुत से प्रकार होते हैं. like written constitution, and unwritten constitution. लिखित संविधान और अलिखित संविधान. As far as Indian constitution is concerned, it is a written constitution. As far as the Indian constitution is concerned, it is the most lengthiest written constitution. So there are some constitution, there are some countries where there are written constitution and there are some countries where there are unwritten constitution. So these are very basic terms. Now now I want to just take a glance at इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. अब हम लोग एक झलक भारतीय संविधान पे देते हैं. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. In beginning, I have said that constitution is set of rules or codified rules for governance of country. So Indian constitutions is a constitution which is codified for the better governance of the India. तो भारतीय संविधान मतलब उस नियम जो भारत के सुचालन के लिए योग्य हो, वो भारतीय संविधान है. So there are some basic terms and the things you should know about the constitution, particularly our Indian constitution, because our examination points to the Indian constitution. So features of Indian constitution. So first we have seen that Indian constitution is a written constitution. Indian constitution is a written one. Written one. भारतीय संविधान कैसा संविधान है? लिखित संविधान है. सेकेंड, our constitution is rigid as well as flexible. And one thing you should also note that it is lengthiest written constitution. सबसे लंबा लिखित संविधान है भारत का. ओके, हैव यू गॉट माय पॉइंट? Rigid as well as flexible. When I will take the classes in detail, then but this means that Indian constitution is rigid as well as flexible. मतलब कुछ कुछ जो बातें हैं भारतीय संविधान में वो बहुत कठोर हैं, जिनको चेंज कर पाना बड़ा ही मुश्किल है, बहुत ही पेचीदा काम है, और कुछ कुछ चीज बहुत आसानी से चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो हम इसलिए हम लोग कहते हैं कि भारत का संविधान कठोर और लचीला दोनों है. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज बोथ रिजिड एज वेल एज फ्लेक्सिबल. Indian constitution has the some very peculiar thing like preamble, जिसको प्रस्तावना बोलते हैं, वो हम भारत के लोग लाइक preamble. Now note it down. Other features of Indian Constitution are like single citizen, single citizenry. This means that in India there are concept of single citizenship. Means यहाँ एकल नागरिकता है. Suppose if you are from UP, you are from UP. So you are living in this state, and firstly you are from India. So there is only one citizenship that you are from India. There will be no separate concept of citizen like UP, that you are citizen of UP. In America, what happened? In USA, United States of America, there are dual citizen, दोहरी नागरिकता में क्या होता है कि वहाँ एक स्टेट्स के होते हैं अलग नागरिकता और एक देश की. Suppose someone is from Florida, a state in United States of America, and so there will be two citizenship. One will be of that state, another will be of that particular country. So in India there is only one citizenship. Okay. Now we will see another features of Indian Constitution, federalism. Federalism means India is a federal country. This means there is balance between the state and center. केंद्र और राज्य के बीच एक समन्वय है. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? फेडरलिज्म. This is a beauty of Indian Constitution and also this is beauty of India also, that there is balance between center. Though our constitution is somewhat tilted towards center. ये सही बात सही है कि थोड़े केंद्र मजबूत हो जाते हैं, लेकिन हम ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि इंडिया is not a federal. India is federal state. India has features of federalism. So these are the some basic features of Indian Constitution you should know. And this is the first class. I will see in detail. Just I am giving in nutshell. I am in some haste also. Now one thing of the constitution which is very much fundamental, that is the preamble. प्रियम्बल जिसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं प्रस्तावना. Preamble is what? Preamble is introduction to the constitution. Suppose मैं आया आप लोग को पढ़ाने, मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, तो मैं बताया कि मैं कौन हूं, क्या करने वाला, क्या पढ़ाऊंगा. दिस इज द थिंग. सो सिमिलरली इज द केस विद द प्रियम्बल. प्रियम्बल इज ए इंट्रोडक्शन टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. प्रियम्बल इज द इंट्रोडक्शन टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. संविधान में क्या है लिखा हुआ, इसका परिचय देने वाला कौन है? प्रस्तावना, प्रियम्बल. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? प्रियम्बल, दिस इज इंट्रोडक्शन. सपोज समवन इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू समवन, सो प्रियम्बल इंट्रोड्यूस टू द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो प्रियम्बल इज वेरी basic and very fundamental and important part of the Indian Constitution. Earlier, I will discuss when I will take in detail at later class at this institute, STPIS Academy. तो पहले प्रियम्बल को संविधान का भाग नहीं माना जाता था, तो क्या इस पे बहुत सारे वाद विवाद हुए। पॉलिटी संविधान की बात है, मैं आप आगे चर्चा करूंगा। तो धीरे धीरे इसको अल्टीमेटली केशवानंद भारती केस है एक बहुत फेमस, उसके अंतर्गत प्रियम्बल को संविधान का भाग माने लगा। अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वेरी पर्टिकुलर जजमेंट, preamble came under the jurisdiction of constitution. Preamble become the part of constitution. I will discuss in Keswa Nand भारती केस 1973 का ये बात है, वर्सेज स्टेट ऑफ ये तब देखेंगे, बस अभी बस सुनने के लिए आपके लिए बस ये है, बस जान लीजिए केशवानंद भारती। सो प्रियम्बल, सो अब हम कैसे कहें कि ये इंट्रोडक्शन है। सपोज प्रियम्बल में क्या है, बी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, आणि ऑल द थिंग्स all the things are like introduction. Be the people, this means that constitution are made for we, हम भारत के लोग, यानी हम लोग सब आ जाते हैं। क्या बात किया है इसमें कि जस्टिस का बात किया, तो कैसा, सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल, कैसा न्याय चाहिए। आगे लिखा है कि बी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया हैविंग सोलो रिजॉल्व इंडिया इन कंस्टिट्यूट इनटू सोवरेन डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक सेकुलर लाइक दिस, सो एंड जस्टिस लाइक सामाजिक, आर्थिक और राजनैतिक। और क्या बोला है, सोवरेन मतलब संप्रभु, यानी किसी का कोई बाउंडेशन है, ए लाइक सोशलिस्ट समाजवाद, सेकुलर मतलब ऑल रिलीजन आर इक्वल, देयर विल बी नो अनइक्वल ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एनी रिलीजन। डेमोक्रेटिक, democracy means democracy, and the basic definition and the most famous definition of democracy is by the Abraham Lincoln, of the people, by the people, and the for the people. And republic, later I will discuss in detail. This is introduction class, and so I would like to see the things in very nutshell. So this was and I have taken introduction to the class also, an introduction to the constitution also in a very brief. So these are the features of the Indian constitution, and these are the preamble, and this is under preamble, and so we can, this is preface, or this is the introduction to the constitution. This shows that how the Indian constitution be. This preamble decides what the Indian constitution constitutes and what it intends. क्या इसका मकसद है, इस संविधान का ये प्रस्तावना ही बताती है, इसलिए इसे बोलते हैं हम लोग what, introduction to the Indian constitution. Now in later classes I will see the parts of the Indian constitution, schedules of the Indian constitution, major amendments, major articles, major contradiction, major judgments, and many more. So, and one thing I would say, that in next class I will take framing of Indian Constitution. And there are many more things and parts and all. There is also an interesting fact that this constitution framed and it taken 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. So that's why Indian constitution is the lengthiest constitution, because the we will see when I will take the framing of Indian constitution, I will take that how Indian constitution embed, what were the sources of the making of the Indian constitution. So, so now just I want to tell this is the first introduction class, and the if anyone interested in this class or the work, please contact and come at the STM IS Academy. Thank you.